All right, everyone, buckle up. We're about to take a deep dive into the world of construction tech.
And it's going to be a wild ride.
Yeah, it is. Today, we're talking Champion Windows.
Big name.
Big name. And how they completely changed their workforce operations using a company called allGeo.
That's right.
Now, you guys know we only deep dive when we've got some awesome source material. And for this one, we're looking at a case study about this partnership.
Really fascinating stuff.
It is, because it shows just how much technology is changing the game, not just for Champion, but potentially for the entire construction industry.
Yeah, the whole industry could be turned on its head.
Seriously, think about it for a second. Imagine trying to build a skyscraper with only paper blueprints and walkie-talkies.
Oh man, that would be a nightmare.
Total chaos, right?
Okay.
Well, that's kind of what it's like for a lot of construction companies trying to manage a massive nationwide workforce.
It's a logistical jigsaw puzzle.
And that's exactly the situation Champion Windows found themselves in.
Yep, they had their fair share of challenges.
Let's break it down. They were dealing with manual time tracking.
Ugh, the worst.
Payroll was a complete mess with their ADP Workforce Now system.
Always a headache.
Their job costing reports were super vague.
Like trying to navigate in the dark.
And they had no good way to send tasks out to their workers in the field.
Yeah, communication was a major bottleneck.
Exactly. It was inefficiency central. And you know what that means?
Money down the drain.
Exactly. It costs money, it wastes time, and it makes it impossible to actually know if projects are profitable.
You're basically operating on guesswork at that point.
Scary stuff.
Yeah.
So enter allGeo, the tech superheroes, here to save the day.
Cue the heroic music.
They swooped in with a two-pronged solution. First, they automated Champion's time tracking and connected it seamlessly with their ADP Workforce Now pay codes.
Nice. So they finally got rid of those pesky manual time cars.
Right. And the secret weapon, GPS and something called geofencing.
Geofencing, yeah. It's like having an invisible fence around a worksite.
Exactly. So when a worker walks into that area, boom, they're automatically clocked in. When they leave, poof, clocked out.
Pretty slick, right?
Super slick. No more guessing games, no more time theft. It's all tracked accurately and automatically.
And what I find really cool is that allGeo let Champion customize the rules for different types of workers.
Oh, yeah, that's smart.
So salespeople, installers, service technicians, they all had time tracking tailored to their specific roles and pay structures.
Genius. That level of flexibility is key. So that's the time tracking side of things, nailed. What about the second part of allGeo's master plan?
Okay, so the second part was all about granular task tracking. Champion needed a way to know exactly what was happening on every job site in real time.
They needed eyes everywhere.
Precisely. And allGeo gave them that with mobile forms that workers could fill out on their phones.
Oh, wow. So they could update progress right from the field.
Yep. And to make sure everything was documented, they had GPS-tagged photos, QR codes for instant job information, and you guessed it, even more geofencing.
Wait, hold on. More geofencing. What was that used for this time?
Oh, tons of things. Like, let's say a delivery truck arrives at a site. A geofence could automatically notify the project manager.
Whoa, that's like next level efficiency.
Right. It's all about getting the right information to the right people at the right time.
So they've got the time tracking down, they've got task tracking down.
Yeah.
Did all this fancy tech actually make a difference for Champion, though?
Oh, yeah. You better believe it. The results were impressive.
Spill the tea.
First off, they completely eliminated payroll errors. Think about how much time and money that saves.
And how much happier their employees are.
Exactly. No more complaints about incorrect paychecks, but it goes beyond payroll. Champion saw a whopping 15% reduction in project overruns thanks to those detailed job costing reports from allGeo.
That's huge. So they were finally able to see where all the money was going.
And where they could tighten things up. But here's the kicker. Ready for this? Managers could see the location of all their workers in real time on a map.
No way. They had a live worker tracker.
They did. Plus, they'd get live updates on task statuses, so they always knew it was happening at every single job site.
That's insane. It's like they suddenly had X-ray vision for their entire operation.
That's a great way to put it. That kind of visibility is a game changer. It allowed Champion to respond to on-site issues faster, allocate resources more efficiently, and even start using predictive analytics.
Predictive analytics. Okay,
Yeah.
hold up. I'm not sure I follow. What's that all about?
So imagine using all that real-time data to predict potential delays.
Like if there's a snowstorm coming and they know they need to reschedule a job.
Exactly. Or if they see a material shortage brewing, they can proactively adjust schedules, avoid costly downtime, and keep projects moving.
Mind blown. So smoother payroll, accurate job costing a 15% reduction in project overruns and a crystal ball to see into the future of their projects, all thanks to allGeo.
Pretty amazing, right? allGeo didn't just boost their efficiency, it gave them control and insight they never had before.
This is why we do these deep dives, folks. It's proof that technology can solve some of the oldest and trickiest workforce problems.
Absolutely. And the best part is this isn't just about construction.
Yeah.
This kind of technology can be used in any industry with workers out in the field.
Seriously, think about it. Delivery services, transportation, healthcare. The possibilities are endless.
The potential is huge. And as this technology keeps getting smarter and more sophisticated, who knows what we'll be able to achieve.
Well said.
Yeah.
So what's the biggest takeaway you think our listeners should walk away with from all of this?
I think the key takeaway is that we're just at the beginning of this tech revolution. We're just starting to see what's possible with real-time data and automation.
It's like we've opened a door to a whole new world of possibilities.
Exactly. And I can't wait to see what comes next.
I'm with you on that one. All right, folks, that's all the time we have for today. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into the future of work.
See you next time.
And remember, keep exploring, keep innovating, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. That's how we build a better future for everyone.
Couldn't have said it better myself.
Catch you on the next deep dive.
Take care.